pieces again. Told myself, here we go. Another dream rearranged, another road I didn't know. Everybody says you're so resilient, but they don't know how exhausting hope can feel. I don't tell people this, but I'm tired of starting over. Tired of becoming stronger, tired of being told it'll make me wiser. I don't want another